Is it going? Oh, hello.
Hi.
You like our hair?
Yeah,
Is it nice?
it's pretty amazing.
You want to know what it's for?
There's a lot of ribbons in
It's
it.
for guard camp. Because it's tomorrow.
And we're about to explode.
Literally, like, for real.
We thought this house was going to explode. We had 3 guard girls over here. It was about to get paid.
Isn't that nice? Look at my hair. You look at Catherine's. Aren't we cute?
It's amazing.
Okay, we made up a song.
Yes,
It's
we
really
did.
love you. Want to hear it?
Do you?
Ready?
Yeah.
Do you want to hear it? Are you sure?
I don't know. They don't look like they want to hear
You
it.
don't look like you want to
No.
hear it. You're not getting excited. Oh, that one
No.
girl's excited.
Okay.
She got excited.
Look at it.
Okay, we're gonna sing it for you.
You.
Sing it for
Just
you.
that one.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
It's guard camp, gotta get down on guard camp. Everybody's looking forward to guard camp. Spinning, spinning, yeah. Tossing, tossing, yeah. Catching, catching, yeah. Looking forward to guard camp. Did you
Isn't that
like
beautiful?
it? Did you like it? Oh, you loved it? That's nice.
Well, you probably think we're weird, so we're gonna get out.
Probably.
Bye.
Bye.